When you think of Japan, you probably don't think of pizza. And that's for a good reason.
Today we are trying 6 of the weirdest pizza flavours we could find in Domino's Japan.
The reason we're doing this video today is because we were inspired by the recent scandal of the fish and chip pizza.
This pizza caused so much outrage on Twitter that Domino's actually apologised and they have taken it from the menu.
That they have. But in place of the fish and chip pizza, we have 6 very interesting varieties of pizza to show you today.
We have 5 kinds of seafood, butter chicken curry, chicken teriyaki,
shrimp mayonnaise, mayo potato, and a Genovese.
I'm not looking forward to this one. These are M-sized pizzas and we got half and half for all of them, so 6 flavours altogether.
For the first pizza we have mayonnaise and potato and butter chicken curry. Well, we may as well start with the mayo potato, I guess.
Okay, mayo potato.
There we are. Cheers.
This is very mayonnaisey.
Oh.
Kind of tastes like pepperoni though.
Well, it's these little pork sausages. Potato on a pizza.
I've not got to my potato yet.
I mean, it's all right. Like, it's not bad. The sausage is nice.
It just kind of doesn't really taste like anything because it's so like plain cheese and then mayo and then potato.
It's all very bland.
Neither of those things have like much flavour.
Yeah, this pizza has potato, pork sausage, parsley, tomato sauce, and double mayonnaise.
Oh, I'm not a fan of mayo. It's so mayo-y. Like if you had a whole big pizza of that, it'd be gross. You wouldn't have mayo on a pizza in England, right? That's a crime. Okay, next.
Butter chicken curry. Okay.
I'm excited for this.
Yeah.
I think butter chicken curry pizza sounds great. Okay.
Chin chin.
That was really nice. A little bit spicy.
Oh, it's like tandoori chicken.
Yeah, it is like tandoori chicken.
Yo, that's nice.
That's really nice.
That is really tasty.
It tastes exactly how you would expect if you put like butter chicken curry on a pizza. It doesn't really taste like pizza at all, right? It like tastes like you're eating curry off bread.
It's more like a really dry and thick naan.
Yeah.
Yo, that pops. Oh.
That's yummy. On this pizza, there was
roast chicken, butter chicken curry sauce, mushrooms, spinach, and tomato sauce with cheese, obviously.
and I didn't really like mushrooms, but that was fine. It was good. Yummy. So next pizza, like I said, these are M-size pizzas, but that actually doesn't mean medium. It means like the smallest size you can buy.
So you get M size, R size, which is regular, and then L size.
Yeah.
Makes no sense.
I
It's
don't
like,
understand.
is it Starbucks or Costa that has the stupid sizing? Like,
It's Starbucks.
Grande.
But I don't understand. I mean, that's just Italian though.
so is this, apparently.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
But
Also, Domino's in Japan is so expensive. For a normal big size pizza, it's like 4,000 yen.
yeah, any of these pizzas on their own, large size, would be 4,000 yen, and in dollars, that's around $40. Not $40. And in pounds, it's about 30 pounds, which is expensive for a pizza.
But anyway, onto this pizza. I'm not looking forward to the next pizzas because I know there's seafood ones coming up. I'm not a fan of seafood on its own, and then putting that on a pizza.
I don't mind seafood, but pizza on a seafood.
Pizza on a seafood.
Seafood on a pizza,
Right,
God.
okay. Whoa.
Oh no! Oh dear.
Okay.
Okay, here we have shrimp mayonnaise and teriyaki chicken, which that one doesn't look so bad.
It doesn't really look like chicken though.
It's just been cooked to
It's
oblivion.
like bacon.
It's been cooked to oblivion.
I've never had a shrimp, I don't think. I think this is my first shrimp and it's on a pizza. So.
It looks more like prawn than shrimp to me, but we'll go for the shrimp mayonnaise prawn.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mine's got a bit of a barbecue on from the other pizza.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have to move the shrimp.
A bit further down.
There we are. Shrimpy pizza.
Okay.
Wait, where's your shrimp?
There and here.
Oh, good. All right, ready? Here we go.
Does shrimp not have any flavour?
Normally does. Domino's shrimp, fresh.
Fresh.
Fresh frozen.
Fresh frozen.
It doesn't really taste like anything.
Fresh frozen? Yes, chef. There's no such thing.
It's really, again, really mayo-y.
Yeah, it just tastes like mayo.
Shrimp mayo. Oh, I don't like corn at all.
To me, this is just like mayo. Mayo and lumpy bits. It's not very good. I wouldn't buy it. On this shrimp mayo pizza, we have shrimp, green peppers, corn, mayo, and tomato sauce.
And cheese.
Chicken.
Now, this one I'm actually looking forward to. Teriyaki chicken. I like teriyaki chicken. I like pizza. No, teriyaki pizza.
It's chicken teriyaki, but it's also covered in like teriyaki sauce. Right, let's go.
Does it have mayo as well?
I think it does.
Oh, they all have. Japanese people love their mayo.
Okay.
Because there we are.
Oh.
Ooh.
Okay, ready? Is that teriyaki sauce?
Do you know what it
I
is?
mean, it is, but it tastes.
I think
like
it's.
soy
I
sauce
think
in.
it's teriyaki mayo.
No, it's not. It's teriyaki sauce and mayo. I think the mayo just cuts out any flavour from
Yeah,
anything.
the mayo like absorbs it all.
The chicken's okay. It's not as good as I thought it would be.
I really like that teriyaki pizza. That really hits the spot.
Really?
I love the teriyaki. I mean, the mayo is a bit. The corn I don't like, but it's got spinach on it. Yes, on this one we have teriyaki chicken, teriyaki sauce, spinach, mayo, corn, tomato sauce, and cheese. Altogether, not a bad combination of flavours. I quite like it, although not as much as the butter chicken curry.
Yeah, the butter chicken one was actually delicious, but this is. It's the mayo. It just ruins it.
Right, on to our next pizza. Let's take a look. Oh, wow, it looks so delicious. Yummy. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to get a slice of this. And hit that like button. And if you're enjoying, why not subscribe for more content in the future?
Right, okay, on to our last
pizza.
Last pizza.
Next pizza.
I'm really not looking forward to this one. This one is the 5 seafood, right?
5 seafood and Genovese.
Okay, ready for the reveal, the unboxing. Oh, why is it green? Oh no.
Christ.
Okay, which do you want first? I think we have to have the
Genovese first.
The Genovese,
yeah.
okay.
I mean, looking at the list of ingredients for this one, ham, potato, garlic parmesan, basil sauce. It sounds pretty much like green pesto.
Yeah,
on a
like pesto,
pizza.
but instead of pasta, they've gone for bread and potato.
Potatoes.
The thing that's surprising to me about this is like, look how thick potato slices they have. It's so thick. The potato's so thick. Gee, a thicky. It tastes like garlic bread-ish.
Yeah,
like
I got that.
something
I got that.
Like a
bread,
flatbread.
but without the garlic.
Like a focaccia.
I mean,
like a pesto-y.
the pesto's quite nice on the
Yeah,
pizza.
it's nice.
I feel like if they had more pesto and like garlic, it could be like a real nice garlic bread. On a pizza though, as its own specific pizza, I'm not too sure
No,
I
I
like
like
it.
it.
You like it? I'm not sure I do.
But I wouldn't really call it a pizza. The only thing that's really weird about this is how thick the potatoes are. So thick.
Do you really like it?
Tastes like salad, but it's
Sweet
pizza.
like candy. Tastes like fruit.
Tastes like candy, sweet like fruit.
Damn, you hit the spot.
Now, onto the real pizza for this evening.
This pizza is the reason why I have nightmares when I sleep. This pizza is everything I hate, and it's on a pizza. Ah.
On this pizza, we have shrimp, octopus, mussels, little neck clams, mactra clams, whatever that is, Ajillo sauce, tomatoes, parsley, tomato sauce, and cheese.
Did you say Ajillo?
No.
Isn't it like Alio or something?
No,
Isn't it Alio?
it's not alioli, no.
Alioli, that's like.
No, it's Ajillo.
That's how you spell alioli.
Ajillo. No, that's how. No, it's not. Alioli does not have a J in it.
I'm really not looking forward to this pizza. I don't like seafood in general, and this has like 5 kinds of seafood on it. And it's all over it. They really haven't skimped on
No,
toppings.
they've done well. Oh, I'll have the one with clams.
Oh, it smells.
Oh, it smells like fishmonger.
Ah!
Oh, too close, too close.
No, it's not too close. That's how close it got to be.
Mine has octopus, mussels, clams. I've got all of it. And shrimp. Have you ever had octopus?
Yeah.
You have to have it in the first bite. Go on.
Mine's a must.
Mussel
I
and
actually don't know if I
octopus.
can. This is so.
You have to do it. It has to. Your bite has to include the octopus. 3, 2, 1, eat. Eat it. Mmm. Oh, it's spicy. No, eat it. Eat it. You're staying right here. She's cheating. She spat it out.
That is vile.
Well, did you like the octopus?
Oh, it's so gross.
You didn't have the octopus.
Oh, that was the most gross thing. If you like seafood, you would like it. But I just hate seafood. And I had like a big bite of what?
Mussel.
A mussel.
Frutti di mare.
The sauce is quite nice though.
Dominic de Coco.
Like the
Ajillo.
spicy.
I actually quite like that one. Much more than the shrimp mayo. The mayo on the shrimp just didn't really work
The
on
only
its own.
good thing about this is it doesn't have mayo on.
Yeah, thank God for that. Ooh, more for me. Oh.
I actually feel sick. Right, that's all the pizzas that we're trying today. There were some very odd flavours, but to be honest, they weren't that bad. They just had a lot of mayo on, and for me, a lot of seafood. But the chicken curry one, that was delicious. I'll get that next time.
Yeah, the chicken curry one was nice. The teriyaki was okay. And for me, the seafood one, the 5 kinds of seafood, was really nice with that sauce. A bit spicy at the end.
Not for me.
Not for you, but for me, I think. Yeah, clearly the Japanese really like mayo on their pizzas because half of them had mayo on, and one of them had double mayo.
It was a lot of mayo.
So yeah, be warned. If you come to Japan, there may be mayo on your pizzas.
Let us know in the comments what the weirdest pizza you've ever seen is, and remember to subscribe and like the video.
Yes, like, share, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Do all the stuff. You know what to do. And we shall see you again next week for a new video.
Bye!